Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error while trying to open a TXT file on Windows 11. To get started, simply search for installed apps and open it. Now in the search box here, search for Notepad. Click on these three dots, click on Advanced Options, scroll down and perform a reset and repair from here. And this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next steps. Simply search for Windows PowerShell, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now copy this command line from the video description, paste it in the PowerShell window and hit enter to execute it. Once done, simply close the PowerShell window and restart your computer. After restart, open Microsoft Store. Search for Windows Notepad. Click on the app from here and download and install it. Once downloaded, this will fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.